friends, it's Michelle with Uniquely Vintage You. My sister Cheryl and I, we welcome you back to our channel. We appreciate you being here so very much. I just want to also say thank you to each and every one that left such sweet comments and have been praying for our family. I know my aunt and uncle truly appreciate your kindness. Today, I'm going to take you guys with me. I've got some errands to run, and I also heard that Hobby Lobby is having a 75% off sale. So I thought we'd go to Hobby Lobby, see what we can find, because I'm ready to add in some new decor. I'm ready for some change. I'm not ready to just pull out all my patriotic items. In fact, this will probably come down after Memorial Day, and then I will bring it back out probably toward the end of June, and then I'll have it all through July and probably part of August. So I'm just ready for some neutral, everyday summer decor. So I'm not sure what I'll find, but let's go check things out and see what I come up with. Whatever I find, I'm going to show you what it is, and then I'm going to show you how I style it in my home. So come go with me and let's see what we can find shopping today. Friends, there are so many wonderful deals at Hobby Lobby. So I'm just going to take you through the store and show you some of the things that I found throughout my store. It was kind of like a scavenger hunt. There was some on an aisle that was all marked 75% off, and then a lot of it was just throughout the store in all the regular places. So if you go to your Hobby Lobby, make sure you look down all the aisles because they had 75% off stickers on everything. So be sure to check it out. I just wanted to show you a few things that I found today. Okay friends, let's head home and let me show you what I got. The first thing I grabbed was this lamp. I thought it was so beautiful. I was so hoping that they had two, but I could only find one. So I might have to check a different Hobby Lobby, maybe sometime this week. But I thought this was so pretty, and you can see the price. It was originally $109.99. And I got it for $27.49. So I thought that was a great buy. I mean, even when you go to the thrift store and look at lamps, some of them are so expensive. So I was excited to get this beautiful lamp and add it to my home. The next thing I grabbed was this pillow. I only seen one of these as well, but I thought it was really pretty. I love this kind of gray neutral color, and it was normally $24.99 and I got it for $6.24. So I thought that was another really great buy. The next thing that I grabbed was this beautiful, beautiful picture. I think it's so pretty. I've actually seen this in the store for such a long time, and I always kind of wanted to get it. I paid only $12.49, and as you'll see in just a minute, it was, I can't remember, it was $49.99 originally, but I just thought it was just a beautiful picture. I'm not sure if it's going to work in my home, but let's give it a try. So what I'm going to do is just kind of show you how everything looks right now. I'm not going to actually decorate with you. I'm just going to kind of show you what everything looks like right now, and then I'm going to move things around in my home, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like after I've done that. So you guys be sure to let me know your thoughts, and also let me know what you would have picked up at Hobby Lobby. There were so many wonderful things. I had a really hard time making my mind up. Okay friends, here is the style in my home, and as you can see, I did leave the corner little protectives on this picture. And the reason I did that was because I'm not really sure if I like it enough to keep it. I know it's a cheap price and it's a beautiful picture, but the more I look at it, the more I think that I'd much rather have more of a cottage type of a picture in one of my old window frames. I just think that's what my heart is really longing for over there. So I'm not sure that I'm going to leave it, but I did add a shelf and with some old corbels. I thought that turned out really cute, but that will probably come down as well. So just let me know your thoughts. What do you think of that picture? Do you think it goes in my home? I'm not really sure, but as you can see just by me showing you how I've kind of arranged things right now, I didn't really buy a lot to replace what I took away. What I'm trying to say is I've just kind of rearranged things, and I think that is so fun to do because it always gives you kind of a different look. It really changes things. Like I had this lamp right here and I moved it because the new lamp was really too tall to fit there. So I decided I'd put it over here by where my pictures are, and I actually like this so much better, and I probably would have never thought to do that because I always like that lamp just right there by the entry table. But I think it's really pretty over here on this side table with all my pictures. The only other thing I really did was I just moved the hat and placed it over here as well. Okay, moving over here on my coffee table, I did take the Americana down just so that I could do this video, and I will probably put it back, but I will definitely be putting this vignette back on my little trunk here because I love it that much. I love that watering can with those flowers, the fern, the bird, just everything. I just love the way this coffee table turned out. So tell me what you think of the overall look. Tell me if you think the watering can picture works in my home. I'm still on the fence about it, but right now I think my heart is leaning more toward just taking it back and then investing in one of those old vintage cottage pictures, kind of like what's on my TV right now. Friends, thank you so much for joining me today. I had so much fun going to Hobby Lobby and looking around. They had so many fun items that was on sale for such a great price, and it was so much fun just trying to see what I could find in my store. So I hope you guys will go check it out. But before I go, I just want to leave you with this beautiful Bible verse. It says, I sought the Lord, and he answered me, and he delivered me from all my fears. Psalms 34:4. Are you fearful? Sometimes I get so fearful, and sometimes I don't really even know where it's coming from. And I know when that feeling rises up inside me, it's something that I have to really talk to myself about and remind myself that, you know what? God is always with us and for us, so we have nothing to really fear. We just need to trust in him because he will always take care of us. Guys, I hope that will bless you as much as it is blessing me this week. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. I appreciate you being here, and I look forward to seeing the next one. Bye, friends.